How's it going, you guys? Connor here with Caliber Whips, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 6-foot long stock whip out of 275 cord. Now this is going to be a very brief video because I'm not going to actually show you the entire process. Rather, I'm just going to show you the card that I use to make the 6-foot long stock whip. So if you guys have seen my video on how to make a 275 Paracord stock whip, it is a 4-foot long stock whip with a 15-inch handle, and I use this card, basically the overlay, the belly, the core, when to drop the strands, and then the core construction. All right, so if you guys have not seen that video, go check it out, because this video that you're currently watching won't make very much sense to you. Otherwise, if you have seen that video and have actually attempted to make that stock whip, then this video will be very useful to you if you want to make the 6-foot version. So here's the 4-foot version. Now what I'm going to do is show you the 6-foot version. The only major differences here is that the handle is 19 inches and that there's obviously minor changes in the strands. So for example, instead of a 14-foot, we got 20 feet. Instead of a 21-inch ball chain, we got a 32-inch ball chain. And then obviously when to drop the strands are all different. So instead of like 46 inches, it's 70 inches. You know, instead of 21, it's 32, and all that good stuff. So here's the front of the card, and then here is the back of the card. Another major difference here is that there's 4 beads in between each marking as opposed to 3 in comparison to the other one. And then we have 40 inches here at the end of the braiding as opposed to the 27 inches. Then there's 8 inches here with, I wrote 1.5 inch stagger between each of those 4 core strands. And then obviously we have the core strands here that cover up the ball chain. It's got 0 inches, 2 inches, 8 inches, and then 32 inches, respectively. And there you guys go. That's the back, and then this is the front. So there you guys go. If you guys want to go out and make your very own 6-foot stock whip out of 275 cord, you now have the card to do it. Again, the 275 Paracord stock whip is not an easy build to complete. So if this is your first time actually watching a how to make a whip video, go check out this video right here. There's a link for it in the description, and I'll also put a card up in the top screen for you guys to check it out, because that video actually goes over the construction, and this video just gives you guys the actual card to go out and adapt those particular measurements to the new measurements. So the old measurements were 4 foot, the new measurements I'm giving you here are 6 foot. Other than that, the construction of the 6-foot whip is identical. So hope that clears things up for you guys. If you have any other questions, be sure to shoot them down in the comments section down below. Or if you have any other things you want to see regarding YouTube videos, let me know in the comments as well. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.